Let's completely shatter how you think about distance and master the modulus right now.
Look at this super specific number, 0.538.
That was Sebastian Vettel's literal, absolute physical fuel limit at Monaco, a hard boundary.
Even Laplace knew absolute value is a monumentally huge, profoundly simple idea we use everywhere.
Here's the deal. Modulus literally just measures your physical distance from zero. That's it. Okay, time to bust a massive student myth. Modulus doesn't just magically erase negative signs.
Truth is, it's a rigid physical tether. You can't have negative physical distance, right?
So we can actually build a modulus graph in just 3 super quick steps.
Picture the x-axis as an unbreakable 3D glass floor. Nothing drops below it.
Any negative value violently bounces off that floor, creating a super sharp kinetic V-shape.
But what happens when these V-shapes physically crash into other lines? How do we solve that?
You've basically got 2 weapons here. Visualize the intersection or hack it with algebra. Here's myth number 2. Drawing the graph will always hand you a perfect, easy answer. The brutal reality? If those intersections aren't neat whole numbers, the visual method completely fails.
We need a way sharper tool to completely shatter those modulus bars. Enter algebra.
Here is your absolute ultimate exam hack. Literally, just square both sides of the equation.
Squaring guarantees a positive, totally skipping the headache of tracking all those separate negative cases. Instantly, an impossible geometry puzzle transforms into a standard, totally solvable quadratic equation. So simple.
But what about unequal boundaries, like those strict Formula 1 fuel limits we talked about? Memorize these crucial exam rules to map out your exact feasible regions perfectly every time.
Ultimately, these kinetic graphs and equations are just powerful tools used to frame physical reality.
Just like a biologist throwing down a physical quadrat to measure wild, chaotic grass.
Math is the ultimate frame for our world. So what wild mystery will you measure next?